Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a hot minute since I've been back. Feels good to be back. It's been like over a year since I last recorded a video. But today I have an unboxing and it's a little different because it's a replica, which is something I don't do on my channel. My channel is mainly about contemporary designers and all my bags are authentic in all the videos I have shown. So curiosity got the best of me this time, and honestly I accepted this bag. It was free. It was sent to me by the seller, and I will have the information of the seller in the description in case you are someone that doesn't mind buying reps. But like I said, if you're someone that's not into that, just don't watch this video. This for me is only for entertainment purposes. Okay, just gonna give it to this. Oh, I should have grabbed some scissors, but can't find any. Okay. Now, I do want to put out a quick disclaimer out there before, if you decide to purchase this bag from this seller, make sure you do your research, not only from this seller or any other seller. Make sure you do your research, ask the right questions and all that before you end up purchasing, because I don't want you then coming back to me and be like, oh, this went wrong, or whatever the case may be. Because like I said, this was sent to me for free, and I'm just giving you the info of the person that sent it to me. So that's all I'm doing, and I'm just showing you the quality of this bag, and for entertainment, because I honestly do see both sides of the argument, the people that are against buying reps and the people that are for buying reps. So make sure you ask for pictures, the quality, the type of leather, if it's even leather, all those questions before you end up deciding to buy. So just do your research. That's all I want to say. The box is a little damaged. Let me show you. Okay, the box is a little damaged right here, but that could have been the delivery carrier. Okay, I didn't even realize I wasn't even recording. I forgot to hit the record button, but I had already opened it, and it comes with a dust bag. It also came with the receipt, quote unquote, with the receipt. There's nothing on it. The receipt and the booklet. Although I know this looks a little different. I have the real receipt envelope, and it's a little bit different. I will show you that, but just to compare the real one with the replica one. But yeah, comes with that. Comes in a dust bag. I ended up picking the Louis Vuitton belt bag on print leather. I mean, it doesn't smell bad or nothing. I had to remove the tissue that it had on here when I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. Let me remove this as well. Honestly, it looks nice. It feels nice. It doesn't feel cheap. Now, let me see. Here, you could take a closer look at the bag. It has a little handle, so you could, I guess, just carry it like this, or you could actually wear it as a belt bag or across your chest, how everybody's wearing them nowadays. It has a zipper in the back, and also the gold on it is not an obnoxious yellow gold. It's a little bit more toned down, so the hardware, I mean, let me see, doesn't feel bad. I have my Lululemon belt bag, and when I opened the zipper on the yellow gold zipper, it's always like kind of stiff and kind of hard to open. And this one, look at that, it slides pretty easy. So inside here, inside it's lined with the orange, almost feels like a suede fabric. So that's the inside. It's a good size. I know the iPhone Pro Max will fit back here. It has an adjustable strap, so you just pull it and it'll adjust like so. And it is a belt buckle style. I honestly prefer when it's a belt clip because it's easier to take off on and off. But belt bag, a belt buckle always does look nicer, but if I would have had it my way, I would have preferred a buckle that clips. So right here also, you can see says Louis Vuitton Paris. I know this particular seller sells it for around 200 something. I will have all the information regarding her prices, her website, and how you can place an order if you're interested. It's a pretty spacious bag. I really am happy with it. The quality feels pretty good. It doesn't feel cheap. Now, as far as the dust bag goes, the quality and the fabric feels the same. The only difference here, I would say, is the color. The fake one is a little lighter than the original dust bag. Now, here's a quick difference between the receipts. They're obviously a little different in finish. This is more of a matte finish. This is more shiny, and the size difference. Of course, I bought my Louis Vuitton Heat Clay back in 2017. So an authentic receipt. This I bought in 2017. It's the multi-clay 6-ring holder from Louis Vuitton. So I've had that for a while. It's the only thing I own that's real from Louis Vuitton. And for the boxes, it's also a little bit different in color. The fake one's a little bit more orange versus this is more towards yellow. Not yellow, but it's not as orange as this fake one. Here's the fake blue ribbon. But yeah, like I said, if you don't really care about that being exact, well, it shouldn't really matter. And I can't really compare the monogram to the on-print print because they're obviously different, but this is the real one. I've had it since 2017, so it's a little beat up, but I could probably go in the Louis Vuitton store and get it fixed. I believe they do that for free. But yeah, it's a nice bag. The quality's not bad at all. The zippers are nice. Here's the inside of it one more time. So inside is also lined with suede fabric. There is no pockets inside. It's just one big pocket. It's pretty spacious pocket. This is a lot bigger than my Lululemon bag that I'm always wearing. A lot bigger. So I'm sure it'll hold a good amount of stuff. The zipper slides. It's pretty smooth. It has a little handle right here, so you could either wear it crossbody over your chest. I personally don't wear my bum bags like that because I have a larger chest. I feel like it feels a little weird and it looks a little weird on me like that, but there's that way you can wear it, or as a fanny pack, just like I wear all my belt bags. But it's super cute, honestly. The quality feels good. It doesn't feel cheapy. It doesn't have a funky smell to it. Well, at least not this one. It comes with a box, a dust bag, the care cards. Like I said, it's an adjustable strap. I will be showing you how this looks on me. So this is my preferred way to wear my bum bags. Not exactly on my waist, just a little lower than that. But for me, it feels perfect right there. And it's easy for me to access all my stuff. So yeah, this is how I wear it. I'm about 5'2" and around 168 pounds. You know, your girl's still trying to lose more weight. So that's where we're at right now. Yes, it's easy to zip. Is harder when you're only doing it with one hand, but the zipper works great. But yeah, and here is how everyone is wearing it nowadays. But your girl is a bigger chested, so I don't know, I just don't like it so much like that. I feel like it's not as comfortable, so I prefer wearing it the other way. Now I want to show you what could fit inside this bag. And like I said, it's pretty spacious. It'll hold a lot. So here I have this big Tory Burch wallet. It's pretty chunky. I have a lot of stuff in it at the moment. So that it'll fit right there, like so. I'm even gonna stick in my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. See? And then let's throw in a mirror. Let's throw in another mirror. Oh, it's the Fenty blurring powder. Could throw in some tiny little wipes. I mean, it holds a lot. A lipstick. See, it holds. It would still fit in like a lotion and hand sanitizer. Honestly, I wouldn't be carrying 2 wallets. So I'm just trying to show you what fits. And in here, I will probably slide my phone. I'm currently recording on it, so can't show you that. But I can guarantee you if it's the iPhone Pro Max. So yeah, that holds a lot. This bag holds a lot. So let me show you for size reference how big it is compared to this Lululemon belt bag that I have. If you see how much bigger, I don't know if it's capturing how much bigger it is. And the Lululemon still fits a good amount too, but obviously not as much as this not as much as the replica right here. But yeah, this is pretty large and in charge. So overall, the quality of the bag is not bad at all, but it's also not the very best. I mean, as far as the stitching goes, the stitching was perfect. I didn't see anything off on it. The only thing I will say is the bottom of the bag right here, it's a little uneven, but you can't really tell unless you're like looking at the bottom of it. But other than that, it's a good bag. I will have the details of the seller in the description, and also she did give me a discount code. I will also have it down there, but I don't get anything if you purchase this bag or not. I'm just giving you all the info she gave me. But as far as the hardware goes, I mean, I'm not sure if it's real metal or not. You would have to ask questions because it didn't feel very heavy to me. So it could be plastic, I'm not sure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's something you guys do like or want to see, let me know. Maybe someone else could send me another bag. Hey, I don't know. I do have some other bags I want to review that I haven't recorded yet. And those are, you know, my go-to designers, Tory Burch and Coach. I love me an authentic Tory Burch and Coach bag. You know, that's my go-to. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one.